Two apex instincts collide, silent speed against coiled fury, in a clash where one mistake becomes the last. The serval circles, testing the cobra's lightning-fast reflexes with feigned lunges. For the snake, survival. For the cat, a missed beat means a lethal injection. Bitten, it whips its head, shakes off the sting, then pads back in. Eyes locked, reflexes sure of the win. A misstep. The serval is caught in the cobra's range, forced to recoil into the dust. It doesn't rush, patiently reading every twitch and coil, learning the pattern before it commits. The snake lunges, fast, sharp, and deadly. The serval feints in and out, testing distance, while the cobra rises, hood spread, ready to strike. The cat darts forward to pressure the head, then hops away before the cobra can counter, repeating the pattern in quick, risky bursts. And each time the serval springs back or straight up, letting the fangs snap through empty air. The cobra answers with a sharper, longer thrust. The serval hops back just enough, then rebounds forward, testing whether the head will hesitate on the recoil. A feint from the cat, then another, drawing the cobra into striking at air. The snake tries to time the landing, lunging low as the serval touches down. The serval jumps again, higher this time, twisting away mid-air and landing out of reach by a breath. The exchange settles into a relentless rhythm. Advance, threaten, strike. Evade, return, threaten again. The cobra begins chaining attacks, shorter and quicker, trying to catch the cat during the split second it resets its feet. The serval keeps refusing the timing, bouncing away, then snapping back in to pressure the head without staying long enough to be pinned. Another feint, another lunge. The serval answers with higher jumps. Quick, vertical bursts, touching down only long enough to launch again. The serval twists away mid-air and lands out of range. The line between victory and defeat is the same target, the head, and the serval is ready to take it. One final leap, one final commitment. Jaws open, a hard clamp onto the face and skull. A lock that ends the bite. The coils beat against the serval's legs, desperate, violent. But the serval holds, grim, consistent, unyielding, until the struggle weakens. The fight drains away. A meal earned by persistence, not luck.